So guys, we use our smartphones a lot every day. The statistics say that the average user has a screen on time of about 5 to 6 hours. And, most phones do not have so much of screen on time, so we end up charging the phone from 100 to 0 and back to 100 and still manage to kill the phone in one full day. That's how much we use our phones these days. Smartphones or any lithium ion battery have a fixed number of battery life cycles, after which the battery fails to hold that amount of charge and fails to give us the backup that was once promised by the company. So my Samsung Galaxy S7 being nearly 2.5 years old, I'm pretty sure I've charged it at least 2 times a day and have received screen on times of 4 hours, 4.5 hours to 3 hours on an average. If you do the math, I'm well over 1500 battery cycles. Most electronic devices have a battery life cycle of about 1000, after which the battery needs to be replaced.
As I wake up every morning, I wish the day would end, because a day without you in my life, I don't know how to mend. And I was like, oh, 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 oh. You were like, no, oh, no, oh. I was like, oh, 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 oh. You were like, no, oh, no, oh. Come on, let's rewind till I smile. That look upon your face. My heart is empty and unguided. I'm blind leading chase.
So one thing you need to know about replacing a battery or replacing the back panel on your own at home or even in a service center is that once the phone is opened, the factory water resistance or factory adhesion, which was once done by a machine, can never be reproduced. I say this because I have sent my Galaxy S7 to the Samsung authorized center twice. Both of the times the back panel was removed. They billed me for the Samsung official gasket and they try to seal the phone, but every time there is this gap at the top or at the side. So like I said, it's never going to be perfect, and whatever water resistance which the phone once had from the factory is definitely it won't exist again. But if you're okay with that, then you should definitely go ahead and change the battery or the back panel on your own. If you have a glass back phone like I have a Galaxy S7, you can make it transparent. And I'm pretty sure you could also do it on the OnePlus 6, and if someone's willing enough, I'm going to try it on the OnePlus 6 as well. I'm told there's a red battery inside which will look beautiful if it has a transparent back. So that's it for this video, guys. This was about batteries and back panels getting a transparent back on your smartphone. I really hoped you like this video, and there's a lot more quality content coming up really soon. So do subscribe to both my channels, Shivde Joy and JerryRig, and give us support and motivation for the next videos to come.
That look upon your face, my heart is empty and unguided.